First time I want to try the auto park, so I was never prompted this option before, so this is the first time I'm trying, and I'm trying to capture this on the phone. So let's see how this works. So I press the start button and it keeps moving back, and it's probably trying to take that did not work actually. As you can see here, there is a huge pile of snow packed behind that, so that definitely did not work out well. So probably did not direct the parking spot clearly.